komo. Kotoko the two for coach to so no dream pass or beje CAF Confederations Cup and Champions League Kotoko but picky Kotoko Confederations Cup. A message to the players. Then I expect.
Me expect a very good tournament for them. On the last time you call 2019 you call Monizo it Mura Monizo. And he messed this time around I could finance. I said I'm to call MTN FA finance. Message say omo because the akanya ya omo. Yenya we are on the pitch, on the field is up to the players. Any technical team say omo ba ko na etimi akoye nim. Because the last time I call you, they see or by stadium. Say no yema busu bebre. Ye share Kana, ye share Zesco, ye share Hila Muye Kobani Nano, ye Muhawana etie, ewo, Baba Auntie. So munya sa konyana. Na ubibia obinya konya say oka the African beko place beko for confederation. Let's say moment right from now start year preparation. Say be lay hands on the trophy. That's me menya konya yenya konya ba itimi anje. Aha anti yensu ebon pan time say omukoi omutumo modin say ombewura finals na yetimi lay hands of the trophy.
Basa na omo best players se Kwame Poku na fe Albert Amwa as a market no e bom ho pa koto control mo ana mo keep mo na omo receive value no nkosro.
Tony odi am tani odi nkomo ye quality ewo ye league nim ni na so komra iska I believe some penifo be hu say say e bia player ni sika yi ye gi abeboa say gi abeboa timanya players the same quality a film no dey anya problem and now say be mama ye no be kasa which is say Kotoko is big about me o makasa mama stay na transfer market na dey akoso because omo bo configuration na omo value be koso be Tony trust me obi be bo configuration odi na ni di wachi a obese di wachi bio ababehwe the configuration cap because of hwe also performance adbere odema nti ema omo transfer market akoso na value be koso na Kotoko benya sika asenye bia de na onya BBC na players so nya bi ama Kotoko so atimi akona because Kotoko is a big and we all need quality players in our team.
Kai Mzito no interim about technical director. Say some people coach. I'm confirm Kai Mzito as head coach and in your opinion. Then what?
Well for me Oba him say 7 matches and I say I to be correct 7 matches. Him say Olusuba kono about draw 2 say 1. They can win. That tells you say media say yenya obi adia. I believe say yenja no na support no. Na onu ankasa eba be 1 or 2 recruitment abam no ebeboa ama Kotoko team na dey etimi akwanim. For me that's my opinion but some penny so go opinion da ba for me there I believe say man time a obetimi aboa Kotoko.